Hey guys, today we're making up some simple, easy, and delicious Moroccan chicken. Yes, Moroccan chicken all the way from Morocco. So slip your apron on, let's take a trip, and I'll show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is grab up about 10 chicken drumsticks. You don't have to use drumsticks, you can use thighs or whatever. I just like drumsticks because you can get them on sale, and they're usually a little bit cheaper. And to this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, and you can get this in the container like this, which is usually around a 1/4 cup, and it works out perfectly. Followed by another 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now for our seasoning, which consists of a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, another teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Really easy to remember, so just go ahead and dump this in. Alrighty, we are going to add a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic. You can use chopped too. A teaspoon of minced ginger, just gots to have the ginger. Now a couple of tablespoons of chopped coriander straight from the garden because it is that time of year. Press and roll out a fresh lemon so it gets all kind of loosey-goosey. Give it a slice in half. And just go ahead and squeeze that fresh lemon juice over the chicken. Then I'm simply going to grab up some multicolored baby taters and just go ahead and add those into the mix. Now I'm going to use my hands here. Of course, I'm wearing some gloves and get down and dirty and mix everything together until that wonderful marinade coats everything. And isn't it simply looking divine here, guys? I think so anyway. Now the next part is relatively simple. I'm just going to grab up that wonderfully smelling chicken, by the way, and put it into the bottom of a casserole dish. Now I know I said one pan, and there's no pan, it's actually a casserole dish. But one pan or one casserole chicken didn't sound very good, so I decided to go with one pan. Anyway, that's my story and I'll stick to it. And I don't know guys, I keep saying this looks really good, and it does look really good. I just love the color. So anyway, this is going into a 400-degree Fahrenheit, about 210 Celsius preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. And after about 1 hour, there it be guys, our one pan / casserole delicious Moroccan chicken. Then I'm going to slip some fresh lemon wedges over the top because let's face it, I mean, you can never have enough lemon. Well, in my opinion anyway. A little bit more of that garden fresh cilantro just for decoration and a little bit more flavor. And you do have to admit that this makes a simple and easy meal. I mean, a great midweek meal, you just make it up the night before even, and then slip it into the oven when you get home or set the timer, and it's ready when you get home. And you bite into this, it really is quite spectacular guys, believe me, it's well worth making, and the entire family is going to love it. So like I say in every video, if you like what you saw, give us a like because it does help, and if you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button.